Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you are here. I want to take a quick second to shout out the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I also want to thank anyone who comes in, checks out my knife, my EDC content. I really appreciate you. Whether you subscribe or not, I'm just glad you're here. If you're so inclined and you hadn't had a chance, if you do hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon, it does help me out. So what we've got here is kind of a mystery unboxing from Industry California. So I know it's going to be from a manufacturer. I'm not exactly sure who. So let's just take a look into it. Looks like a Kansept. I've really enjoyed getting to look at some of these Kansepts because it's been a while since I had been buying Kansepts, and I've used to have quite a few and still do have quite a few. I think they make a great knife. They OEM a lot of different knives. This is it's a TuffKnives collaboration. It is the ODD 21. So a TuffKnives collaboration with Kansept called the ODD 91. Oh, and it is taped. It would be taped. Get my little Amazon. I try to remember to put this in the description, but I always forget. It's a cool little knife. Titanium. Uses SW2 blades. You just want to look for those because they are a little different. Alright, so we've got a Kansept with our Kansept stuff. Ooh, this one came with a coin. Kansept knives, it's more than a concept. TuffKnives, TuffKnives, TuffKnives. So cool, this one comes with a special coin. Troll candy. This has your cleaning cloth, your warranty information, care instructions, everything like that. And then here is the knife. Ooh. This looks interesting. Very interesting. Alright guys, so this is a TuffKnives collab, or a TuffKnives design. The Kansept is manufacturing, and it is called, which is an odd name, the, what was it, OOD1? The ODD 21. ODD 21. Guys, first thing I can tell you is it is an impressive looking knife. It is a very weighty knife. It's beefy. It feels like a overbuilt knife in a lot of ways. I think the only internal milling are these holes. I'm usually not a huge fan of speed holes. However, these are chamfered out and anodized in there or smoothed out. Look really nice on this titanium, bronze titanium scale. You've got almost halfway spec backspacer there. Got either a front flipper or a low profile rear flipper. And you've got this really tall, sexy blade. This one's Damascus. You've got the TuffKnives logo there. Kansept logo there. Nice lock bar relief. It's not really milled down, but it's very easy to get to. It's a titanium frame lock with a lock bar insert. I was just going to see if I can give it a... Can't really flick it off the blade, but it does have a great front flipper. Really snappy. It looks like it's tuned for the front flip. I don't know if you can hear that banging detent. Titanium clip that seems to have a lot of give. We'll see how that goes in pocket. That low profile flipper tab does not get in the way of the ergonomics of this knife. This knife feels fantastic. It's got a nice swedge, tall flat ground, probably about a 3/4 flat, and then a very robust, contoured, nice feeling handle. Let's just give it a quick how does it cut test, and it's very thin like I thought. Even though it's got a little girth to the blade, it's super slicey. I could do that for days, but I won't put y'all through that. I will, however, give it a quick little cardboard test. Nobody's business. Goes through cardboard like butter. Very neat knife. It's a knife that I have not ever seen before. It's not a knife that I've ever seen one of the TuffKnives that looks like it, but it's a medium size. I would call it small to medium size knife that is very broad in terms of tall, but it has a nice angular handle. I was right, these scales are not milled out on the inside. You've just got the weight relief here on the outside. You do have your lock bar relief cut out on the inside, so I'm imagining this is going to go in and out of pocket very well. Oh yeah. Great in and out of pocket. Got about this much deep carry, so it is, you know, almost a full deep carry clip. The flipper tab is, again, very easy to access, very easy to actuate because it's got jimping, really sharp jimping that comes back there. So it's more of a light switch than a push button. However, it will push button. Seems to get a little bit more gas when you light switch it. The front flipper is jimped up and over the top. So that is the perfect way to do a front flipper, because anywhere you grab it, you are going to get positive engagement because you're not going to slip off of it. That jimping goes up and around. So very nicely done. It is a right carry only, tip up, TuffKnives. Beautiful, beautiful little specimen, I think. This is Damascus version with Blackwash titanium. And then they call this bronze anodized holes, if you can see in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Looks like we've got T8 hardware all the way around. You do have access to your pivot on both sides. So yeah, guys, this is the Kansept ODD 2-1. A little 3-inch, a little bit over 3-inch blade. Very slicey, but also very thick. I mean, we've got a thick knife here, and it's a heavy knife. When I say heavy, I mean that in a good way. It feels like a tool. I like that in a knife. It is definitely premium. It's definitely made well, perfectly centered. No displacement in those scales. Nice contouring. Nice ergonomics. And then a very cool spear pointy blade. So guys, this is an unboxing only. I will do a review of this when I've carried it, cut with it, lived with it for a while. It is the Kansept ODD 2-1. Guys, thanks for checking out the video. If you're so inclined, hit that subscribe button. If you're so inclined, hit the like button. But most importantly, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.